Hello, this is COMP9331 assignment demo. First, stepping to initialize the DHT. I use this setup code to open the S-term for each pairs. There should be 8 total S-term appears. Step 2 is the ping successors. Each pairs will start to ping its 2 successors to see whether they are alive or not. For example, pair 3, it will send the message to its successor pair 4 and pair 5, and pair 4 and pair 5 will receive the request message here and here. And then if they will alive, they will send back the message to pair 3, and pair 3 will receive the response message from pair 4 and pair 5. In this case, we use the UDP function. If the pair sending the ping message to its successor, and next the successor will resend back the alive message back to the pair, it will print out these 2 message. Next is the step 3, which is requesting a file. In this case, we will use pair A as example. Just typing request 2012. And now, pair A will not have the file 2012. It will transfer this message to pair 10. And pair 10 said that the file 2012 is not stored here and will transfer this message to its successor pair 12. The same for pair 12, not here, pair 15, not here, and pair 1. Oh, file 2012 is here, and you will have a response message back to the destined pair 8. And pair 8 will say that I receive a response message from pair 1 where the file 2012 was there. In this case, we use the TCP for the requesting file. It's here. And then when you're requesting a file, the file name will be hashed. And by dividing by 256. And 2012 divided by 256, you get a file name for 220, which is larger than pair 5, and it will start in pair 1. Next step is pair departure. For example, we will departure pair 10 by typing quit. And pair 10 will show that pair 10 will departure from its network. Also, the predecessor of pair 10 will also show that pair 10 is departure from the network. So the successor of pair 5 and pair 8 is changing. Here we show that the first successor is pair 8, but the second successor is pair 12 now. The same for pair 8. In this case, the TCP will have the departure code here. If it receives that message, it will print out which pair will be departure from the network. Then it also print out the changing successor. Next is the final step, which is step 5, kill a pair. In this case, we use pair 5 for example. We just close the window to kill it. And the predecessor of pair 5 will show that pair 5 is no longer alive, and then show the new successor. The first successor is 4, and the second successor now is pair 8. The same for pair 4. Pair 5 is no longer alive, and then the new 2 successor. Thank you for watching.